Hello, Auto Assets here, just giving you a walk around this Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650. As you can see, it comes with the pillion backrest and the pannier rack already installed, along with a nice windscreen on the front. We'll do a full walk around of the bike and I'll get the bike started as well. So down here at the forks, it's looking pretty good. The black paint has sort of flaked off at the bottom here, but no concerns. And you've got a nice little extendable mudguard just to help protect some of the actual bike itself. You've got a little belly pan, which I'll show you on the other side. You should see the logo for the Royal Enfield. I'll just show you the other side. There you go. Get your oil filter in there, your horn and your radiator as well. Coming round the side, I'll flag up anything that I think is worthwhile pointing out. Bodywork wise, the panels and the tank and everything's looking really good. There is a little bit of flaking, if you like, on there. Some character, as people like to say. Overall, the exhaust isn't terrible. Having a good look. No rips and tears in the seat. Nice logo here at the back. Jump around the other side. So again, chain and sprockets looking good. You've also got a centre stand as well as a side stand. And nice kind of forward footed pegs there as well. Up here I'll just go over some of the details. So you've got your kind of light controls on the left hand side along with the horn, and then your hazards as well, and your option to start the bike. Speaking of which, let's get the bike started up and you can hear how she sounds. Okay, let's start the bike up. So to start the bike up, once it's you've turned the ignition on, you just push this across. That puts it kind of in off mode, and then pull it one more time. I'm going to let the bike warm up for a minute. Whilst I do that, I'll just confirm everything's working on the bike. So I'll start with the indicator. It's hard to see in this weather. Nice dry day. You've got your normal running light there. It's really quite hard to see in this weather, but with a slight change. Yeah. Beep beep. Come on, what? Now I've got a few revs you can hear how it sounds. We've also got a little info button here, so just for clarity, mileage. On the screen it looks like it's all moving around. It is nice and flush on the screen just where the camera's picking that up. It's 8,912.7 miles. In there. Well, and there we have it. That's a Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650. Any questions you've got about the bike, please let me know. Cheers.